Every Himalayan salt candle holder is hand carved, so each one is of unique in its beauty. It is designed to hold one tea light candle at a time. This is the heart-shaped lamp, perfect color, perfectly beautiful, and make a quiet addition to any space. If you notice the structure, it is perfectly carved into heart shape, and this holder is for 2 candles. It gives the sign of peace and love and pass a vibrant look. Just see this. Every holder is made from a completely one-of-a-kind Himalayan natural crystal which has been hand-mined in the Himalayan mountains. If you see the light, it is just because of this crystal salt. This is the wonderful apple-shaped candle holder. Simple but unique. But this is the perfect pair to hold your candle. It has another pair of it, which is also the perfect one as the previous one. These attractive Himalayan rock salt candle holders make a wonderful addition to any room, casting a warm glow to highlight the area. If you also want, just go www.impex.com and order your favorite candle holders.